I reached my hand right inside the groove, and there was a Cottonmouth water moccasin inside of it.
Okay, so we're going on the road to your house here?
Dirt road back to my house.
So is this where your first hobbyist ponds were made?
Yes.
And I'm assuming they've all been ripped out and rebuilt?
Yes. So this pond has been here since the fall of 2006. And December of last year, we decided we wanted to take the skimmer out, which was located roughly here under the bridge. And we redid the waterfall. We used to have double waterfall streams coming down in. We relocated the biofalls, made the one wider stream and waterfalls into the pond. I've always wanted to have my own separate lotus pond. So this was just going to be a lotus pond, and the guys wanted it to be a bigger pond, so we just made this edge here for the lotus.
That's badass.
What do you like about this?
Water comes through here. Look at that. It comes through here, and then there's a natural hollow spot through here, and it's bubbling up out of that. That's a cool piece of wood.
As I went up to the wood, we were getting ready to cut it.
Yeah.
I reached my hand right inside the groove, and there was a Cottonmouth water moccasin inside of it.
You're still with us, so it must have been you.
I came back a week later, and we got it.
He jumped back in the boat quickly and went back the next week.
Wow,
That's
that
the
is.
coolest piece I've ever seen.
I love that double-decker deck up there.
Always wanted to have an upper deck to be able to sit up and watch the stars.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
I call this my tropical garden.
Wow.
So this was the second pond that I built, and it had this pond and then the one up here.
Nice.
2 years ago, Sean added this little pond on the waterfall because we wanted the water pointing in with the sound going in on the porch.
Yeah, beautiful. Little micro biofalls up there, huh? How long ago did you build this one?
It was 2006 into 2007.
So this was the very beginning. This is kind of your first efforts, huh?
Yeah, well, I started the one on the other side, and then my original ponds that were just bare liner and skimmers were about this big, and the biofalls not much bigger, were over here. And after we built the aquascape pond on the other side, then we took this out and did the 2-pond system here. After I had been to Virginia Water Gardens and trained with them.
So yeah, you said like I made the waterfall stream too.
It's too narrow, and the liner, we had cut the liner too short. So this is going to come out, and I want the biofalls facing that way.
But this has been operating for 11 years.
Yeah. Yep.
So the next time I come, this will be updated.
Yes.
We used to sell bridges.
Yes.
I didn't know that.